Hi lovelies, welcome back again to the channel. It's me again, mom and pretty Missy, and in today's video, honestly, I'm going to blow your mind. I am going to wow you with this hair install today. Honestly, this is no joke. So go ahead, grab your seat, cross your leg, because we're about to do something mind-boggling. So this is it, lovelies. This hair is mesmerizing. Look at how neatly packed it came. All right, lovelies, so this is the hair. Oh, this hair is 11 by 6 real skin melted HD lace front glueless wig. It has a realistic hairline and the color is ombre brown and the texture is coily. So let's see more details about this hair. This one right here is 22 inches. It is 180% density. The material is 100% human hair. The cap type is 11 by 6 lace frontal wig. This is what we're talking about here. As the cap type, for the pattern, it came with free pattern and free styling. You want it. The hairline has been plucked and bleached, so usually they call it pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So this hairline has been pre-plucked and pre-bleached and single knots, and also it lasts for over 1 year under proper management. So if you manage it very well, this is gonna last you over 1 year. The texture is giving. The texture is giving. Look at the bounce, lovelies. Let's go ahead and get this installed. This is just gonna help it stay firmly. It is glueless free, just so you know. This is the cap. The cap is kind of like stretchy and breathable. So this is my lace tint mousse. Yeah, all the way here. Loveless. From the description of the hair, it says realistic lace, which means the lace is, it blends like your skin, blends with your skin. Look at that. So I'm gonna move this hair cap in a little. Okay, lovelies, what do you think? So I moved the cap in. The lace is still there, that's the lace, but because it's a realistic lace, see, and like blend into my my skin, lovelies. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, so this is what I have. This is the frontals. All I just need to do is trim the edges in line with that. Did you see that? Did you see that hairline that is giving? Yeah, it's lovely. Before I start cutting, I'll make sure I remove those hair from the way, like pick it out of the way. There we go. Look at that giving hairline. Look at that giving hairline, lovelies. If you have hair picker, hairline picker, you can use that to pick it. So look at that. So then I can now try to cut this. See this? First cutting off this one first.
Okay.
Perfect. Then we're gonna stick this. So can I even decide to take it out? Yeah, I did it. See? put on this band like this. All right, lovelies, let's take a look at this hair, why that is drying up. Look at this, lovelies. What do you think about this hair? I think this hair is mesmerizing. Can even go ahead and dry it up. Let's take this out. Wow, like it has blended. Yeah, and I'm trying to take all of this out of the way. Look at that, realistic edges. Like little wax right here. Good. I mean, look at the edges there. Looks so real. Use the comb. I think with the comb it's just gonna do so well. Just pick it out. Guys, and we are done. You can part it anyhow. Okay. You can decide to part it anyhow. Look at that. It's the hairline in this one that is giving. This doesn't really need any makeup because it just blended. Decide to take it up like this. You decide to do it however you want it. Realistic hairline. Hairline right there. Guys, I think I did a good job with this hairline. I did a good job. I love side parting, so you can decide to do like this. Look at that. Look at the scalp giving scalp. You know, I love it like this. Call Max. Lovely, always, I love it. Oh my goodness. This is the hair you would be proud to lift the edges up in public, you know. You can't believe I made this at home. I did. You know, this looks salon installed. Anyhow, look at that. Just this is good. See the hair. It is giving all shade of beauty and elegance. What do you think about today's install? This is absolutely mind-blowing. The hair is just so easy to install. It is so easy to trim out the edges. It is so easy to get a very neat frontals without going to the salon. You know, this looks professional. It looks well done. Look at the edges. I'm so proud of myself right now. Even the parting looks all coily. Look at the frontals. Look at the edges. Realistic edges. This is the hair. This is the hair. You don't need to stress yourself going to the salon to look for realistic edges anywhere. Just get this hair and save yourself the troubles. You let me know in the comment section what you think about today's install. If there is anything you felt I should have done or I could have done better, please go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Mom and Pretty Missy. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, your acquaintances. Let them watch this video and get this hair and watch the whole tutorial so they will be able to install the hair all by themselves without any hairstylist. It is doable. I did it. You can do it. So until I see you again next time, remain blessed.